Today at Billmetric, we're going to show you how to use the Order by SKU function on our website. Order by SKU is a fast and easy way to purchase items when you know exactly what you need. On the top of the website, locate and click on the box that says Order by SKU. On mobile, click the menu in the top left-hand corner and scroll all the way down to Quick Order. The first method to enter your order is manually. Type in the SKU and desired quantity and click Add New Row for each item. Click the orange Add Items to Your Cart button when you've entered all SKUs. A green check mark will appear next to in-stock items. Red X icons appear if an item is entered incorrectly or if it is out of stock. When finished, click View Cart and check out to continue. You can also upload a CSV file by clicking on this button. Upload your file in .csv format and include columns for SKU and quantity. The two header columns are case-sensitive and need to be entered exactly as shown here. Upload the file from your computer, then press the button Add Items to Your Cart. When you're ready to check out, click this button. Thank you for watching.